What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. All right, Learning Machines, I'm going to talk about what is the best pay-per-view or cost-per-view networks, okay? And here we have one pulled up already, Propel Media. And how I'm going to determine this is based off social proof. So which one has the most visitors? I'm going to determine it by that. Then we're going to know which one is the best. And I haven't done pay-per-view before, but the cool thing is you're paying on a CPM basis and you're paying per view. So you're only paying per view, not click. So it's a little cheaper, but if you're not doing it correctly, it's just going to be way too much money for you and you'll fail. You need to be able to spend the most to acquire conversions. And the only way you can do that is by having a funnel in place and not just one offer, but and also like techniques for getting like a high click-through rate, okay? But if you want to learn all that stuff, you can, and I'm not going to pitch you too much on it, but it's actually great value. But here we got Propel Media, baby. And let's see, with SimilarWeb right here, my favorite tool. 207,000 visits. All right, here's the next one we're determining right now. And this is RTX platform. They get 225, pretty close. This is called media traffic. I just wanted to show you. Sometimes traffic sources go down. This one is done, okay? So don't go with a new traffic source just because it's new and cool or whatever, because sometimes early advantage is good a lot of times, especially with social media platform, but with traffic sources like this, it can be risky and they might get taken down. So it's like, why not be with the best in the business? So we're going to figure that out right now for you. Next, we got Zero Park. Okay, 233. They're a big player. They've been around for years. Here is 50 on red. Okay, looks like they don't even have any data to show. So that's wonderful. They're not the best, okay? Next is Direct CPV. This one has hardly any traffic too. So watch out for those ones. Now we're going to go back and look at all these. Looks like the best one would be Zero Park, then RTX platform, and then Propel Media. All right, guys, there's the video. Check out other videos. Check out stuff in the description. Also, new stuff is there. And peace out.